Everyone knows ChatGPT can answer questions, but that's only scratching the surface. What if I told you there are powerful features and techniques that most people never use, even though they can save hours of work every single week? In this video, I'm sharing some of the best ChatGPT secrets that can completely change the way you use AI. Let's get started. Before we begin, if you enjoy practical AI tutorials like this, please consider subscribing to AI Tech Tips 360. We're a small growing channel, and every subscription helps us create more practical AI tutorials like this. Now let's dive in. Secret 1. Tell ChatGPT who it should be. Most people ask ChatGPT questions like this. Write an email. Explain this topic. Summarize this. Instead, start by giving ChatGPT a role. For example, act as an experienced university lecturer. Act as a professional copywriter. Act as a software engineer. Act as a career coach. Immediately, the answers become more focused, detailed, and relevant. It's one of the simplest changes you can make, yet most people never use it. Secret 2. Let ChatGPT ask you questions first. Here's a trick that completely changes the quality of AI responses. Instead of giving ChatGPT one instruction, ask it to interview you first. For example, before answering, ask me any questions you need to give me the best possible result. Now ChatGPT gathers the information it needs before creating its answer. This works incredibly well for business plans, research projects, YouTube scripts, marketing, and even resumes. Better information means better answers out. Secret 3. Upload files instead of explaining everything. Many people spend several minutes describing a document. There's a much easier way. Simply upload it. Whether it's a PDF, an Excel spreadsheet, a Word document, research papers, or meeting notes. ChatGPT can read the file and answer questions about it. You don't have to explain every detail manually. The document becomes the context. Secret 4. Ask ChatGPT to improve its own answer. Most users stop after the first response. Don't. Instead, continue the conversation. Try prompts like, make this shorter. Explain it for a beginner. Give me 3 better versions. Improve this using a more professional tone. Think of your first response as a rough draft. The real magic happens through refinement. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to AI Tech Tips 360. We're a small growing channel, and every like and subscription helps us create more practical AI tutorials like this. Now let's move on to the secrets that even experienced ChatGPT users often overlook. Secret 5. Ask ChatGPT to think step by step. Sometimes AI gives answers that feel rushed. Here's the fix. Instead of saying, solve this problem, try saying, work through this step by step and explain your reasoning. This often produces more organized, logical, and detailed responses, especially for learning, planning, and complex tasks. Most people create a great prompt. Use it once, then lose it forever. Instead, create your own prompt library. Save prompts that work well for writing, research, emails, presentations, content creation, business, and studying. Over time, you'll build a collection that saves you hours whenever you need similar results. Secret 7. Turn ChatGPT into your personal coach. This might be the most powerful secret of all. Don't just ask ChatGPT for answers. Ask it to teach you. For example, create a 30-day learning plan for mastering Excel. Quiz me until I understand this topic. Act as my interview coach. Help me improve my public speaking one step at a time. Instead of solving today's problem, you're building tomorrow's skills. That's a completely different way to use AI. Even with these secrets, avoid these common mistakes, asking vague questions, accepting the first response without refining it, forgetting to provide context, using one short sentence as your entire prompt, assuming ChatGPT always knows exactly what you mean. The better you communicate, the better ChatGPT performs. The biggest difference between beginner and advanced ChatGPT users isn't the AI they're using. it's how they use it. These simple techniques can help you get better answers, work faster, and solve problems more effectively. The more you experiment, refine, and build good prompting habits, the more valuable ChatGPT becomes. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up. And if you want more practical AI tutorials that help you study smarter, work faster, and make the most of tools like ChatGPT, subscribe to AI Tech Tips 360. We're a small growing channel, and every subscription helps us create more practical AI tutorials like this. Which ChatGPT secret surprised you the most? Share your answer in the comments. And if you have a hidden ChatGPT trick of your own, I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.